Ever felt intimidated by the command line when using Git and GitHub? Today, we're diving into how GitHub Desktop simplifies your workflow with its user-friendly interface. First, download and install GitHub Desktop from the official GitHub website. Then open the application and sign into your GitHub account. Now, let's clone a repository. Cloning copies repository from GitHub to your computer. Click File, then Clone Repository. Choose the repository you want and select a local path where you want to save it on your computer and click Clone. Branching allows you to work on new features without affecting the main project. Click the Current Branch button. Then New Branch. Give your branch a descriptive name. Then click Create Branch. Make your changes to the files in your local repository using your favorite text editor, and watch as GitHub Desktop automatically detects those changes. Add a descriptive commit message summarizing your changes, then click Commit to Main. To upload your commits to GitHub, click the Push Origin button. This synchronizes your local repository with the remote repository on GitHub. Finally, create a pull request to merge your changes into the main branch. Click the Create Pull Request button. This will take you to GitHub, where you can finalize and submit your pull request for review.